Which Shopify report shows fees? The report that shows your fees on Shopify is the Finances Summary report under the Analytics section of your Shopify admin. This report provides detailed insights into your store's financial performance, including transaction fees, payment processing charges, and overall revenue breakdowns from Shopify payments and other gateways. In this report, you can view how much you're charged per transaction and see the total fees deducted from your payouts. It includes all related cost details like order refunds, taxes, discounts, and adjustments, helping you get a clear picture of your actual profits after fees. Shopify store owners often use the Finances Summary report to track performance and optimize pricing strategies. It's especially helpful for understanding how much you're paying in transaction or payment processing fees as your sales scale. Many Shopify merchants rely on this report to ensure transparency and profitability across their operations. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to finance reporting tools, transaction insights, and analytics dashboards that help you monitor fees and maximize profits with confidence.